Hi, welcome to PRIYA Maths. Hi everybody. Today I am going to explain pair of linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equations in two variables. Two linear equations, the same two variables are called the pair of linear equations in two variables. So here two equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. The conditions a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0 and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. Briefly explanation, this one already you know, this is the revision class for every student. Students, listen carefully, the public examination coming soon. So every student must see your notebooks and verify the fundamentals on every chapter. So first one, the conditions is here. The comparison of ratios, graphical representation, algebraic interpretation, solution, graph. So in this solution, first, for example, this is the a1x plus a2x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. And second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Comparison of ratio, the first equation x coefficient, the second equation x coefficient, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. When these conditions satisfied, the graphical representation intersecting lines, this one is the graphical representation, observe it. This is the graphical representation, the intersecting lines. So first equation and second equation intersect at some point, okay. Next, algebraic interpretation consistent. When the a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, the algebraic interpretation is consistent. Solution, unique solution. Okay. Next condition, look here, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. It is called the parallel lines. So inconsistent, no solution. There is no solution for the finding of the x and y values. When these conditions are satisfied, it is called the parallel lines. This is the inconsistent, no solution. So this is the graphical representation. Next one, a1 by third one, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Coincident lines, dependent lines అంటాం దీన్ని. So this is represented this line in graphical representation. Consistent in the infinity many solutions. Solutions, infinitely many solutions. So many solutions is there to find out the x and y values. Okay. So this is the briefly introduction of the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay. Now we are going to explain short answer questions. Students, you have to see and enjoy with that one. Your notes and this explanation, you have to listen carefully. First, is a dependent pair of linear equation always constant? Why or why not? So yes, a dependent pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. So they always consistent. This is the answer of the first. Second one, explain the terms consistent and inconsistent. This is one more question. Explain the terms consistent and inconsistent. Okay. Consistent means a pair of linear equations has a minimum of one solution. Listen carefully. Again, I am reading here. A pair of linear equations has minimum of one solution. Okay. Then they are called consistent. Minimum once they have minimum one solution, it is called the consistent. Inconsistent, a pair of linear equations has no solutions, they are called the inconsistent. Consistent and inconsistent, they are asking 1 mark or 2 mark questions. This one, explain it. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.